this hair dryer, so which will draw a current more than 4 ampere. Okay, then we will see. As I already told you, this is a 4 ampere MCB. When it will draw more than 4 ampere, how it will disrupt the circuit, that demonstration I will do. So first I will switch on the power. Now I will switch on this dryer. Okay, now you can see MCB has closed the path. Now you closely monitor this bimetallic strip, how it is moving from its position. And now you can see the current rating is 4 ampere. So it is continuous, gradually it is drawing current more than 4 ampere. Now we see here, you can see the bimetallic strip that has bended, that has displaced from its position due to bending, and it has cut the circuit. So here also you can see this bimetallic strip, now it will come to its original position gradually after dissipating heat. Yes, you can see here. So likewise, overload protection arrangement works inside a MCB. Thank you.